Okay, welcome back. So, in the previous video, we have seen file output stream and file input stream, whereas in this video, we will learn byte array input stream and byte array output stream. Uh, as I've been telling you that in Java, the streams are extremely efficient for each of the source or destination where you want to read or write. They are represented as a object. For example, when you are using file input stream, file is the source. When you are writing to a file by using file output stream, file is the destination. So same way when you have byte array input stream, it means that in this case a byte array will be a source where you will be reading it from, and when you have got byte array output stream, it means you will be writing to an array. So in this case, array will be used as a source where you can read from or you can write to. So let us first play with the byte array input stream, and then we will learn byte array output stream. ByteArray input stream, I've got two constructors. The first constructor is the constructor which has this array as a source where the information will be read from, and then the second is a constructor which have two additional parameters. The first parameter says where to start from while reading the array and how many bytes to be read. So if you have got 1000 bytes in an array, and you say start from location number 10 and read 100 bits, it means 100 bytes, it means from 10 to 109 bits will be read. Okay, let's do a couple of example of byte array input stream and byte array output stream. So here inside source, I create a new Java class. I call it byte array demo, right? Byte array string demo. Okay, so I will have public static void main string arg whatever, right? So here I have an array of bytes. Say for example, I say this is a string, I call it message equal to this is a taste of byte array string, right? That's it. And then I say byte, I call it source equal to message dot get bytes. It means all these characters have been converted into byte, and now they are available in the source array, right? Now I say byte array input stream, I say byte array input stream equal to new byte array input stream, and source is my source, right? Okay, then I say while I say character C equal to byte array input stream dot read. So this will read one character at a time, while this is not equal to -1, which will be actually end of the stream. While we are reading next character, I need to convert this inside into, or maybe I can write here an integer, right? While it is not equal to -1, I read it one at a time. Okay, do you want me to do this? Integer c equal to 0. Now c is equal to m dot read. I think this is the problem of exception. Boolean, while it I'm reading it. Okay, while reading it, okay, so while it is not equal to -1, I say read it, and then system dot out dot print, and then I say c, convert this c into character, and then display it, right? Okay, so byte array input stream, we say read from the source, and here we say read one character at a time. When characters are exhausted, when last character has been read, the string will return you -1, right? So it's a kind of terminator. So one character at a time we read and then we display it. Let us see what is the output of this program. We are reading one character at a time. So this is a taste of ByteArrayInputStream, right? So you can see we read one character at a time and then we displayed it. Okay, now when you are reading, obviously you can convert your stream into an array as well. For example, I say if dot your byte array input stream dot to string. This can straight away, whatever contents it has, it can give me those into string format, right? So this can give me straight away a string. I say text that I've got from here, I can display directly. So you can read one character at a time, or you can also convert whole stream to a string. Then I can system dot out dot println, I can directly display text, right? So this will have same impact as the previous one. So we are reading now string twice. So you can see yeah, I mean the problem here is I have already read, so my pointer is pointing to the last character, so I need to reset the string. So ByteArrayInputStream dot reset, so that it can come back to the first location, right? So to string ByteArray ByteArrayInputStream dot to or maybe get. There is a method, maybe I'm missing read all bytes, read number of bytes, transfer to, okay, read bytes, you can read them in string, and that's fine, okay. And maybe I can use this when I'm using ByteArrayOutputStream. Okay, so this is how you can read a ByteArrayInputStream, one character at a time. Certainly similar kind of operations are available with your file output stream. This was ByteArrayInputStream. Then you also have ByteArrayOutputStream, in which you will have constructor with no value, and then you can also have a constructor that where you want to write it, right? You can write to a buffer, or you can also write to another string, right? Let's do that. Maybe I can write here, I say byte array output stream, byte array output stream equal to new byte array output stream, and I say that it will write character inside byte, right? B equal to new byte of, say for example, 100 location, right? So I say that this will be my array where I will be writing, right? Okay, I don't need to do that. I have this byte array output stream dot write, and I can write to a buffer, right? I can write number of characters to a buffer. I can write bytes to an array as well, right? So maybe what I'm going to do, I say byte array output stream dot write, and what I'm going to write this source. Okay, I think this has issue of IO exception. Okay, you know the problem, eh? So I can write here throws IO exception, right? Then it should not complain. So I say write to the source, or maybe write to B. This is also fine. Write to the source, right? I can also have buffer wait bytes if dot. Okay, so it means that now this whole source which we had available inside this byte, it will be available to the string, right? Now if you, it means this whole string has been written to the string. Now if I say system dot out dot println, I say byte array output stream dot uh, toString, this should return you whatever we have written so far in the stream, right? So let us comment out this one so that we can see the method which is produced by the second string. So you can see, yes, this is a taste of byte array output stream. I can write here this is this is written by output stream. Let's check it. Right, run, then you can see here this is written by output stream, right? So what we have done so far, we have created a byte array output stream, and then we say inside this stream write this complete array, and when this complete array has been written, it means that now text is inside the stream. So you can consider a string as a buffer, right? You can consider a string as a buffer, and when then you say byte array output stream, and then you got a string from the buffer and then displayed it, right? Most importantly, you can also write this byte array output stream to another stream. Say for example, I say file output stream, I say file output stream equal to new file output stream, right? And then I provide a path to my local machine, say for example to this path. Okay, I say right here, control D, I say right here, and I say output.txt, right? So you know your file output stream is now associated with the your file output stream is now associated with the file, and the file is output.txt in this folder, right? Now see what I'm doing, I'm actually writing one stream to another stream. So I say byte array output stream dot write, I say, is there write or to byte array, yes, write to, the method is write to. So I say write this stream to file output stream, which means that whatever we have written inside byte array output stream, which is actually the text which we had in source, I say write that into file output stream. And when we write this into file output stream, it means that this will go to the text, right? Let's see if it actually writes. Do this, then output.text should be here, right? Output.text is here. So you can see this is a trace of byte array stream. So these two streams, byte array input stream and byte array output stream, they are exactly same as file input stream and file output stream. The only difference is that this time array is your source and destination, right? Okay, I end this lecture here, and when I come back I will be covering more exciting streams in Java.io package. Thank you.